Welcome to my channel. Today's episode is about fixing my CCTV connection from our remote site going to our main office, because we cannot access some of our CCTV, so I'm gonna go there and fix the problem. Okay guys, this is our server room. And the reason why I go here because we cannot access our CCTV from here going to our main office. So I'm going to check if what's happening. I think the problem is maybe the uplink is not working right now because there is no light on the uplink right here. This one, this is the two uplink right here. This one. And it's going up right here, so maybe we can check the connection from here going to my another server cabinet that's located in this area right there, and it's all working here. And I have also one of my Ubiquiti. This is my Ubiquiti. This one is connected to my CCTV on the gate area, and it's because it's very far from here, so we use the wireless connection. So that's why we use this Ubiquiti. I don't know what is the exact model of this, but it works very well. So let's go to our small cabinet located on the front of our warehouse. Okay. Using this one, yeah. Okay. So we're here now at our server room. So let's check. Oh, look at that. The uplink is already have a light. Yeah, this is the two uplink here. That's connected to this patch panel here and going to the small server cabinet outside. So look at that. I'm so sorry, it's like kind of dark here because the light is not yet really finished right now. Look at that one. Yeah.